My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and we're continuing our video series designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. What do you do if now it's summertime, like it is here, and you've got a parenting time schedule, and your ex has overscheduled the children to such a degree with activities and camp and this and that? Can't see your kids. You're supposed to see your kids at a certain time, but the ex has got the mother coming in, the grandmother's coming into town, and then of course they were invited to go to Uncle Billy's house, and all of this is going on while it's your time. Well, what do you do about that? Well, number one, you've got to review the current custody arrangement to see what the court has ordered. The first thing the court is going to do when people come into the court after motions are filed to address these issues, the court's going to say, let me see my order. Let me see what I already ordered and how what's going on is fitting in with that order. Number two, communicate your concern with your ex. Say, look, I appreciate the fact that your mother's coming to town, and I appreciate how important it is to have the grandparents see the kids and blah, 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 but you've got to schedule this on a time other than my time, because my time is when my parents go to town, or we go to see them, or I've got plans during that period of time. Really, your ex is duty-bound to work around your schedule for the summer as it relates to your time. Let her bring in grandmother on her weeks, not on your weeks. Now, if it can't work out, try to mediate the concern with the use of the court resources or otherwise. In other words, try not to make this escalate to the point where the relationships can't be saved. Remember, you're going to have to work with this person, your ex, until those kids are of age. So in order to do that, we can't fight every single battle to the death. We have to try and mediate some good resolutions. But it doesn't mean that I'm suggesting to you that you should tolerate a bunch of nonsense. The more you give in, the more you say, oh, okay, grandmother's coming in, oh, well, I guess I won't see Billy this week. The more you give in on that, the more you will find that the other side will just keep taking and taking. We've had circumstances like that in the office where the effort was made to try and comply with the ex, and all the ex did was take advantage of it. The more we gave in, the more they wanted. Finally, the client said to me, what should I do? And I said, you should do what I told you to do in the first place. File a motion and have them held in contempt. Take away some of their time. Go aggressive on it so that you won't be in a situation where they just keep taking and taking. I'm telling you right now, in 9 cases out of 10, your willingness to give in to the other side will not be viewed as a kind gesture. It'll be viewed as weakness. And they'll take advantage of that weakness until those kids are old enough to not care about you and not know the difference. So you got to be very, very careful about that. Gather evidence that you need to bring to the court to show how you've got the time scheduled, you've got the plans, and all of a sudden the other side is coming and dad is saying, oh, I want the kid, we're going fishing that weekend. Can't you take your week on another weekend? No, you can't. He's going to have to schedule his fishing trips around your schedule because you're entitled to have plans. You're entitled to have a relationship too. And I'll tell you something else. Even if dad has bought tickets to Disneyland and you have nothing, money's tight. You only have time with the kids and you're going to take them to the city pool. And you're going to have nice days running around, splashing in the pool, and that's all you've got planned. And there's no question what he has planned on your days is way better. You know what? You don't have to give in to that. Just because the kids are being offered some fancy trip on the other side, you don't have to give in to that. You can say, look, schedule that great trip on your weeks. You can't have my weeks to do it. Taking your weeks is just a way of marginalizing you in the eyes of the kids, showing that you don't matter. That is not a precedent that we want to set throughout the post-divorce relationship. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.